Hello and welcome to Home Learning Help brought to you by Together. In this clip we're having a look at log rolling. Doesn't sound much like learning, but actually in terms of development it's really important. Log rolling can help with our vestibular development, so our balance, and also our proprioception. Where is my body in space? How do I know where I'm actually moving to? But also we can add in different little activities to go with this as well. So I've just picked up some things I've found around the house. You don't have to have a set of the same things, it can be a mix and match. Just as an example, I've got some felt tip pens here, so I might choose to use those for log rolling. Or I've got some little numbers and letters here, you can use those. You can use lots of different objects. Have a look and see how it works.
When log rolling, you literally roll like a log. Here, the young person is transferring numbers from one side of the space to another and just putting them into a pot. Here, the young person is helping with tidying up, taking felt tip pens and putting them into a pot. So what next? Log rolling can be used in lots of ways. Make it an adventure mission where the young person has to move something from one side of the room to the other. Just make sure it's something small enough that they can roll over. You could use objects to make sets. In one of the clips, we saw the young person transferring numbers. Are they numbers that they're learning to recognise? Are they all multiples of 2? Or are they numbers that they're going to make sums with when they've finished log rolling? Could be that it's all red items that the person is transferring, or perhaps a set of blue things. You could also put a time challenge, but just make sure that the young person is confident in the movement first. Start off slow, and then can they get across the room a little bit quicker? Thank you for watching. Have fun with your log rolling, and please look us up for more home learning help.